welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of, I think this is a Samsung SPH-M620, also known as the Upstage on Sprint. I have a lot of these phones, you guys know, but this one was just different. I'll grab the packing slip out of here first. Has my address and stuff on it. And so I was kind of curious on what's going on with it. As you can see, there is a coax coming out of it. Very interesting design here. I don't know. Maybe it was used for a model mock-up or something. You see it comes out of there. It's in really good shape though. Looks to be dead. It is locked. Let me unlock it real quick. See, maybe. Usually it shows a lock icon now. Looks to be dead. Has some information on it. It is in really good shape though, but I just seen the coax. I think I paid 20 bucks for it. Here's the invoice actually. I paid $15. So that's not too bad to be honest. Just thought it was interesting and kind of wanted it because of this coax. We'll have to take it apart and see what's going on and how that's attached to it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the little unboxing video. Stay tuned for the next one.